In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk add manual transactions in Tiller. If you already have a list of transactions in a separate sheet, the process is simple. You'll paste that data directly into the next available rows in your transaction sheet. Let's walk through how to do that smoothly and avoid the common snags. First, open your Tiller-powered spreadsheet and go to the transactions sheet. This is the master list where all your spending and income live. Scroll to the bottom of the existing entries to find the next empty row beneath the last transaction. If you're using filters or the sheet is sorted, clear the filters or note the last row so you paste in the right place. A quick keyboard shortcut like Control plus down arrow or Command plus down arrow can help you jump to the end. Now switch to the sheet that holds your manual transactions. Make sure you're selecting only the data rows, not the header row. Your columns should align with the transaction sheet, typically things like date, description, category, amount, and account. If your sheet uses different column names or a different order, line them up in the same order as the transaction sheet before you copy. That ensures everything lands in the correct fields when you paste. Copy your data, return to the first blank cell in the transaction sheet, and paste as values to keep things clean and avoid bringing over formatting or formulas that could interfere with the sheet. In Google Sheets, that's paste special, then paste values only. You'll see the rows fill in immediately. If anything looks misaligned, like amounts in the wrong column, use undo right away and adjust your selection before trying again. Pay close attention to date formats and positive or negative amounts. Expenses are usually negative and income positive. For categories, use names that match your category sheet so they classify correctly. If they don't match, they'll appear as uncategorized and you can update them later. If your transaction sheet includes helper columns that calculate automatically, leave those blank. They'll populate on their own once the core fields are in place. Finally, give your data a quick scan after pasting. Confirm that the number of rows you pasted matches what you intended, and that totals and dashboards elsewhere in your workbook reflect the new entries. That's it. By pasting directly into the next available rows in your transaction sheet, you've bulk added your manual transactions quickly and accurately, keeping your budget up to date without tedious one-by-one entry.